Good day my Stitchy family and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from Biggestcraft. That is www.biggestcraft.com. Now all of us know Biggestcraft. I've been dealing with them and working with them for a long time and I really love them. Now Biggestcraft, normally they specialized in cross stitch, but guess what? They are selling embroidery now. So that is amazing and we're gonna embroider, I tell you that much. Now at Biggestcraft you can find anything that you need for cross stitch, all the tools and accessories, also all the craft. Excuse me, I'm still sick, so it's a mess. Now they also sell embroidery needles and the collection is growing. Biggestcraft customer service is excellent, their shipping is excellent, and their products are amazing. Just remember with shipping, if you order something from the category that says new style, it does take a bit longer. New style, most of those products are not in production. So if you order from it, the production only starts then. So yes, run off to Biggestcraft because they got the most beautiful things. Also, if you want to save a little bit more at Biggestcraft, you use my discount code, which is RELLA2 for extra $2 off. Also, if you order over $49, free shipping. I can't remember if I said that, I'm going bonkers. Okay, and that is not all. It's not all. Let me see. 4 days. Okay. I do not know if this sale will be on when this video is because this is a pre-recording. So please go and look on their website for what sale is running at the moment. And if you don't want to go and look, just look in my description box. All the details I will definitely leave there for you. Alright, so let's have a look what we've got here. Let's start at the top one. You're looking at it. It's a B. A B. So it comes in the noisy paper and then you open it and then there's more paper. But I'm opening everything quickly. Alrighty then. Let's start. Alright, so with these kits, the embroidery kits, if you're missing it, go and look. I do embroidery Fridays where I teach the stitches. And most of the stitches you need I've already taught and we learn together. So please come and join us. Alright, so all these kits come with a beautiful hoop. It's the plastic hoops I love so much. It's got a ridge and then the ridge fits into the hole here. I didn't open it properly, just hold on. I don't want to open the whole thing. Now there it fits, this ridge fit in there. You see? So they're the best. Your material never slides. Remember in the past we had that, you still get them, the bamboo hoops. And they are real pain because they slide. And the sliding with this is non-existent. Isn't that just perfect? You get your little needle threader. You get a seam ripper. And then of course your needles in a little test tube. Now the needles, you get two very strong needles. It's gonna take one tough person to break this, and I, who am the needle bender breaker, won't even break this. And they're sharp, so sharp is very important when you do embroidery, otherwise you ruin your material. Alright, so here's the pattern. And it's a B. I can see long and is it long and short? No, it's just satin stitch. They should have made it long and short because those are not like, really not. Well, okay. So what they say here is, it is the satin stitch. But satin stitch, long and short, whatever. But they have used a lot of long and shorter on that one. It's not exactly satin stitch. So, yeah, you decide what you want to do. But here's all the instructions. There's how many threads you need, what stitch you need to use, and the picture and how to frame it in this hoop if you want to. So it's very, very completed kit, and I really love it. Now here's the fabric, and it's nice and strong, and look at this print. Amazing. Amazing, right? Very, very, very pretty. I absolutely adore it. Alright, so and then the colors, so it's very complete. It's you need nothing, you need your scissors. That's basically it in a good light, right? So 1, 2, 6, and there's your colors. Very simple, very easy. I like it a lot, a lot, a lot. But for me, to be honest, I'd sat and I will do long and short on these just to make. You know what? The pattern goes like that, so you can actually do your stitches long and. Nah, you can do satin stitch because the pattern shows you where you go long and short. That's amazing. Okay, so I love it. It is fabulous. Alright, so while I pack this away, guys, please subscribe to my channel. It's for free, and by doing that, you motivate me to make more videos for you. Ooh. Also, while you're doing that, please press the like button and leave me a comment. I will definitely come back to you. The last week, 2 weeks, I was a bit sick. But we're getting there. We are getting there. I'm sure by the time you watch this movie, I'm in top shape again. Or this video. At the moment, still recovering, but like I said, getting there. Yesterday I was out for a 5. I was just out. Can you believe this? I'm still packing away. So you're looking at the butterfly. And I'm finally going to open the butterfly. I'll do it as soon as possible, as quick as possible, not as soon. Okay, so, okay. I don't mind, I've got extra. Sometimes those things happen. I'll show you now what happened. If I can just open it. So you guys saw the packaging. I'll take it out of a big bag with a little barcoded sticker, and then I take it out of a small bag. Now what I oohed about is my little thing is broken, but I've got other ones. Doesn't matter. These things, they do happen. Then we've got a seam ripper again. We've got our 2 needles in the little test tube again, and of course we've got our little hoop. Now let's have a look at this pretty violet colors and stuff. Now here's the pattern, beautiful butterfly with flowers. Now let me see, satin, outline, satin, straight. We've done straight, French knots. We've done all these stitches. Very easy. We've done it all. Excuse me. So yeah, I think it's super duper amazing. It's gonna look fantastic. So I just want to see something here, because the background of the butterfly is brown and this is not. Okay, but that's not going to stick out. I'll make it not stick out. Alright, so there's the pattern, the amount of stitches you're gonna, the stitches and the amount of thread you're gonna use. And they tell you how to do all your stitches and how to frame it. Fantastic. I like this a lot. Now I'm gonna do this because afterwards I struggle too much. Because this is the part I struggle with. So I'm gonna put it in, and afterwards I can just stick it in. So I don't take so long. You can see what I struggle with, right? Not happening. Okay, and that one. Oh, what am I doing? Packing them away. Oh. Alright, and here's our pattern, and it's marvelous. There's the butterfly and the flowers. Nicely printed for our convenience, right? I like it, but you don't have to guess what stitches to use. You really don't. They tell you on the pattern, good quality material, and I forgot to tell you guys, these stitches stitch up very quick. It's not like a cross stitch. This embroidery small hoopy things, They really go super duper quick. Alright, the last thing is our colors, and there's 10 of them. Very soft and feminine. Look at that. Amazing, right? Very, very pretty indeed. I adore it. Alright, so let's have a look at the last one. Look at that bird. What bird is it? All the bird knowers. I know lots of you are watching birds. You know birds. Please let me know what bird this is, because I do not know. I'm almost done, so this went quicker because I did the big struggle while we were busy. There you go. Oh, back away. Okay, so please remember to tell me what bird this is, because I've got no clue. Let's start with... I'm also going to pack it away while we're busy. Alright, like the other one, we've got our plastic hoop with the ridge, and that the ridge fits into the little whatever it is. It fits into it. We've got our 2 needles it's that thick needles, very, very good and sharp needles. We got a needle threader. We got a seam ripper. Very, very cool. We also got the pattern. Let's see. Satin stitch. What? What's a stain stitch? Am I reading wrong? Stain stitch. Hold on. What? I think it should be satin stitch, because it says stain stitch. The spelling is misspelled there. Yeah, it's satin stitch. So all the stitches here you also know how to do. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I just need to know. Oh, and then they don't tell you how to do the beak. It looks like something's worked in for the beak. So I don't know how to do the beak, or how they did the beak. They don't tell you how to do the beak. And I don't know. Because the beak looks like something plastic. I don't know. I don't know. If you know, look. The beak doesn't look worked. It looks like something plastic, but that's not included yet, so I don't know. I found the same thing with that. I opened a purple stitch. My mom's busy with it, and the beak of the bird also looks like it's something different, and they don't give you a clue what it is. I don't know. We'll have to make a plan. So everything explained here. Pattern is beautiful. Everything is magnificent. So, you know what? That was dumb of me. I just want to see if they've got a tutorial. No, they don't. I'll see if I can find something about the beak, because this one doesn't have a tutorial on, and I really want to help my mom as well. You remember that purple one? She's doing one, and the beak also shows something weird there, and it's not a stitch. Alright, so let's have a look here. So this beautiful blue bird that you're going to tell me what it is, and there we are. Very, very pretty. What is going on? Just give me a second. Oh, that's what's going on. Now you're almost not gonna see that light. Yeah, you see now. You can't see. There we go. So amazing product once again. I love the little embroidery kits. They are superb. We are gonna look at those threads, and there's 13. And they're superb. I love them. They are amazing. Beautiful product once again. Yeah, we are getting beautiful things. Now while I pack away, I just want to thank Biggestcraft. They are amazing and superb. Thank you for stocking them. We're gonna have lots and lots of fun, right? Then, to you, yes, you watching my video, my dear Stitchy family, thank you for always watching and supporting me. I appreciate it more than you will ever know. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.